preparation. So I'm going to go like this. So number 12, strike row, 1, 2. We would do this. And then that's our number 12. So I guess being it so sexy, it's like we can do the other one too. But I mean, and normally in most Espada y Daga systems, you would do something like this or something like this. And it's a lot easier to teach that stuff than it is to teach some of this stuff. But it's one of those things that happens. So the first technique in Espada y Daga, disarming, I'm going to go like this. So no, your palm is you're going to stop it here because I could do this and your head's gone. So you're right, just a momentary thing and then you wrap it around. Boom, you lift it up. But lift it up so I'm hyperextended. Then I'm going to go here like this, 2. And you grab some technique here. Just right on top of my hands. It's all wrapped. And then bang, pull it in. Okay? That's the first one. Okay, let's try that, please. Cool. Thank you.
So just as you're switching out, go to like a jab?
Well, yeah, so see, normally you would do this.
Right.
So instead of you, the same way that if we did a switch out, and you would what? You put your hand here, right? No, but you put your knife there, right? So I'm going like this. So that's your contact. It's what you should always do no matter what I do. So if you're coming in, if you do a switch out, bang. So I would do it here. Yeah, because the thing is, I don't want to do it here because it's way too far. So I want to go, as we do a switch out, hit, I'll go here. And then it comes in, hit, boom, wham.
Kali.
Kali.
Yeah.
It's the power of Kali.